Hello, fifth graders. How are you? Let's solve this problem here. You are today part of you are here in the school was awesome. I'm very happy to meet you guys. Let's work a little bit in our exercise. Let's keep. I will try to record our video, more videos. I don't know if I can keep the same the same pace I did before the videos, but let's try. Let's try. Okay. Here, let's work a little bit of mental math. We did it already. Okay, we know these results here. Let's work on this one. The instructions, we did it again. Remember to follow the guidance of these instructions is pretty important. The agenda for our class today. And let's work on it particularly. Remember, how do I multiply integers numbers? Cool. Here, multiply integers numbers. Remember, multiply integers. It's the same thing as a repeated addition. Remember, we did it already. Remember, the algorithm of multiplication, multiplicand, multiplier, and product, result. And here, the first thing, remember, okay, 2 times 3, it looks like two groups of number 3. As you can see here, two groups of number 3. I count everything, I have 6. And this one, 2 times negative 3. I have two groups of negative 3. Okay, the first group here, the second one here. I add everything, would be negative 6. And here, negative 2 times 3. It means I have two groups of number 3, okay, but we're going to make it negative, okay? Remember here, just two negatives mean I have two negative signals here, as you can see. I'm going to make the result above is negative. Negative 2 times 3, which is negative 6. And the last one, negative 2 times negative 3. I have two groups of negative 3, and we're going to make those groups negative and look for the opposite. Okay? The opposite is 3 positive integers here, 3 positive integers here. It is 6 positive. We have a pattern here, guys. The pattern is the product. Look here, the product of two positive integers is always positive. Always positive. The product of two negative integers is always negative. Always it will be negative. Okay? Oh, sorry guys. Oh, not positive, positive. Sorry. Two product for two negatives. Negative times negative, it is positive. Positive. Sorry guys, sorry. The product of two integers with different signs, then it is negative. Okay, mister. That is what I meant. Okay, here. Attention here. Positive times positive equals a positive result. Negative times a negative number, it is a positive. Negative times a positive, it is negative result. And this one, positive times a negative, it equals negative. Right now, guys, without multiplying, determine if the product is positive or negative. Remember, negative times negative is positive. Positive times negative, it is negative. Negative times positive is negative. Positive times positive is positive. Negative times negative, it is positive. And positive times negative, it is negative. Zero property. Remember zero property. What is it, mister? The product of 0 and any number, it is always the result will be 0. Is 0 all the time. Example, 5 times 0, it is 0. Negative 123 times 0, it is 0 too. Great, easy. Let's solve this one, the practice, guys. 5 times 3, this is easy, 15. Yes, guys. And here, negative 3 times negative 2. Okay, the first thing to do, multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. Negative times negative, I remember the rule. Oh no, I don't remember. Write down here. Positive times positive is positive. Negative times negative is positive. Negative times positive, it is negative. And positive times negative, it is negative. Nice. I remember the rule. Oh, it's positive. Nice. 6 times 8 is 48. Positive times negative, oh, is negative. Nice. Negative 9 times 2, oh, sorry about the camera, guys. Negative 9 times 2, and remember the order of operation. Who comes first? 9 times 2, it is negative 18. Positive times negative is negative, and times negative 3. Let's solve this one. Negative 18 times negative 3, it is a positive, okay. 3 times 8 is 21, carry 2, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5, 51. Great, guys. The other ones you can work here. If you need the key answers, I can send to you. Exponent. Attention here about the exponent, guys. The exponent, as you remember, guys, the exponent is repeated. Is repeated what, guys? Yes, repeated multiplication. The same idea. Repeated multiplication. Let's do it here. Let's repeat it here. The number, the exponent here, the power, negative 7 to the second power, it means I have two negative 7s. Let's solve this. 7 times 7 is 49. Negative times negative is positive. Done. And this one, Mr. Negative 9, outside the brackets, outside the parentheses. It means, guys, I have a negative number in the front here. I have a negative 1 times 9 times 9. That's the meaning of this negative, okay? What is it? 9 times 9, I know, is 81. 81 times negative 1. 81, oh, it's negative. Negative times positive is negative. 1 times 8 to 81, it is 81. Negative 81. Oh, mister, can you see, guys, the difference? It's very different, okay? And here the same idea, repeating number 3. 3 times. I'm repeating 4 3 times. Okay, negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4. Work out, follow the order of operation. Negative 4 times negative 4, it's 16 positive times negative 4. 6 times 4 is 24, carry 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2, 64. It is negative 64. Great. Guys, word problems. I'll solve just one here. Eric owns shares of a certain stock. If he sells of 8 shares each month of the year, okay, find the change in the number of shares of stock he owns. Okay, I know he owns the stocks. I have, if he sells 8 shares, okay, I have 8 shares each month of the year. Each month of the year I have 12. 8 times 12. 8 times 12, it is 2 times 8 is 16. Carry 1. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 96. 96. Look, I have right now 96 stocks. He shares 96 stocks. Here the next one. A ride at an amusement descends 24 feet. I descend 24 feet. Negative 24. If the ride lasts for 7 seconds, find the total in elevation. Okay, a ride at an amusement descends 24 feet each second. Okay, 24 feet each second. If the ride lasts for 7 seconds, okay, and times 7, 24 times 7, okay, what's the total changing elevation? Let's see. Negative 24, 7 times 4, it is 28. Carry 2, 7 times 2 is 14, plus 2 is 16. The change in elevation was 166 feet. Okay, good, nice. Here's our work, guys. There's a ticket. Remember, how do I multiply integers? Recall that multiplication is repeated addition. Great. Remember here the homework number 23. It's different, okay? Remember, paper homework. Paper homework. Okay, now it's not Excel. Excel is extra, and the extra activity is extra. I need to send you extra. And remember, we don't change the way to send the homework. It's the same way. Send the Google Classroom. Okay? That's it, guys. Nice to see you. See you in your next class. Goodbye.